Hey, what's up? So this is a tool to optimize Windows 10 and 11, and it is called BloatyNosyAI. This tool is completely free and open source. So you may have heard about the really popular tools to optimize Windows 11 called This is Win 11 and BloatyNosy. So this app is made by the same developer, built by Bell. And now it is powered by AI to beat AI in Windows. You know, Windows is getting more and more AI tools and features and whatnot. And we all know, because of all these AI features and whatnot, our privacy is in danger. So using this tool, we can turn off or uninstall all those AI features to protect our privacy. So as of me making this video, this new version of BloatyNosy with AI 2.0 was released 2 days ago, and it's still in beta. But you can use this right now because, in my opinion, actually I have used the classic BloatyNosy plus this new one. I can definitely say that this one is much better, actually way better than the classic BloatyNosy, and it works. So to download this, you can just go to the releases and then download the latest BloatyNosyAI zip file. Once you download it, you go to your downloads folder, unzip it, and go to the folder, and there you'll see a BloatyNosyAI file. You just run it, and it will look something like this. Here at the top, we have a search box where we can ask a AI. They also call it a copilot. I don't know why. Oh, okay. It's the same copilot from the Microsoft. Okay, now I get it. I thought that this is a different AI. So basically we can ask it to do many things in here. There are some suggestions here where it says pinned. You can see what is my Windows version, remove the widgets button on the taskbar. Let's do that actually. So you can see I have the widgets in here. I don't like it. I'm gonna click on that. It actually did. I don't even have to go into the settings and turn off the widgets. Actually, if we go to the taskbar settings, and here we can see widgets, we can enable it, disable it. Now I can just simply type in here whatever I want and it will do it. Okay, so what is my Windows version? No, at the bottom, build 22631. All right. I want to run a quick scan in Windows Defender Security. It will do it without opening the app. Wow, okay. So this is the first thing. We will actually play with this even more, but we need to talk about other things. Like we have privacy section here where it says recommended, and we have debloater, and we also have app installer if you want to install any app. So let's go with the privacy. This Windows install is actually heavily debloated already, and I'm also using the local account, so I don't think it will find much in this Windows install to do anything, because most of the things are actually already turned off. So what we're gonna do here is check my Windows setup. All right, we're gonna click on that, and it will scan for all features related to our privacy. All right. You can see advertising is disabled, tips and suggestions, find my device, and everything. Almost everything is actually disabled because I already optimized this. So basically what you want to do here is turn off all these options. Some of the options you may have to be careful, like for example, game DVR feature. You may not want to disable it because some games won't work properly. Now let's move on to the debloating section. They call it a bloat pilot. Just like Copilot. Pretty cool, right? So we can see we have 87 packages installed. Now what we can do here is select them by simply clicking on them, multiple selection, all right? Or even better, what we can do is search for crapware database. Click on that. And here you can see these are the crapwares: Bing News, Microsoft Office, Get Help. So all these are bloatwares that we don't necessarily need. So what we can do here is click on remove crapware in optional database. So we're gonna click on that, and it will actually uninstall all the bloatwares from the system. So I'm gonna click on that. I did it. I have finished everything. That's what it says. Now let's search for crapware again, and look at that. Now we don't have any crapwares because we just uninstalled all of them. And if there are some apps that you want to uninstall, then simply select them. All right, let's say I don't want all of these. Okay, and I'm gonna click on remove selected, and it says package removed successfully, they are gone. And last option, we have the install missing apps section. Here we can install some apps like Google Chrome. It doesn't have huge list of apps, but there are some essential apps like Notepad++, 7-Zip, VLC Media Player. To install them, just simply turn them on just like this and click on install, or you can use Winget, or let's go back to the chat box. All right, there is a suggestion called give me a sneak peek of Chris Titus tool in action plugin. So this also supports the Chris Titus tool called WinUtil, which I also use. If you ask it to do that, it will actually install Chris Titus tool and open it just like this. And here you will see huge list of, essential apps for Windows. And you can also tweak your system even further using this. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna have some fun. Actually, I'm gonna try to ask some like advanced questions here. Okay, it says ask Copilot because no match found. So basically, I think it has the presets for all these options that we see here, which we can just keep refreshing and it will get the new options where it says pinned. So yeah, I think that's how it works actually. So we can't ask like anything, okay, not random questions. Only what it has will do the magic, otherwise it won't. I think we can ask the Copilot. Now we can ask anything here, I think. Yeah, it's working. Nice. And one more weird thing. I don't know if this is a new feature of Copilot. It looks like you can use this without signing in, which is great. And let me ask a complex question. Okay, for some things we need to actually sign in. All right. So once we sign in, then we will be able to perform all the tasks or ask everything. Okay, I didn't know about that, but yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, this tool is actually pretty good and clean. If you're using this for the first time, maybe you'll get confused, but don't worry. Just select everything or whatever you want to turn off and then click on deny selected. Once you do that, click on check my Windows setup, and then you should see everything disabled, disabled, disabled. Now, if you want to enable them again, first select everything, which is not select option. It works weirdly. We have to turn them on. That's how the selection works in here. All right. And then we have to click on allow selected. Once you do that, if you click on check my Windows setup again, you can see everything is enabled again. Actually, I'm going to just disable everything. So I'm going to do that and check my Windows setup, and everything is now disabled. So yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, in my opinion, this is actually really good Windows optimizer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this? And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.